Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So it is pretty much the weekend, it's Friday. I woke up feeling a little bit anxious today. I think I'm going to talk a little bit more about this later, like a little mental health chats update I guess. I'm going to be doing like a proper video on it soon on my main channel. Sorry my hair's a bit of a mess, I don't really care though, like I just want it to be like messy plaits and chill vibes because today we're going to have like a big study day at Cafe Nero. But first, DOUGHNUTS have actually done a pop-up in Lincoln, and there's actually speculation, well not speculation, it's like, I'm sure it's confirmed now that DOUGHNUTS are actually gonna buy like a store in Lincoln and actually like move here and have a whole shop here, which is insane. Very dangerous for my health, but I'm very excited. I think we're gonna go head down now. Fingers crossed it won't actually be as busy as usual because it is raining and the weather's a bit shitty. However, I have already seen people on my story go and get some of the donuts and they look incredible. They sold out literally within like an hour and a half, like the last time we tried to go. And Megan and Hat managed to randomly stumble upon it last month, and they've been doing like pop-ups every month. So fingers crossed we can go get some. They look delicious. We can eat them as we study and it'll be like our little treat as we go, something to spare us on. But yeah, I'm just about to pack my bag to go. I'm going to fill it with all my revision stuff. I'm going to have a nice productive day. Hope you enjoy. Also, I'm just about to turn you around to show you this. So basically yesterday I got sent this stunning ring. I'm going to come into the light over here I think. I got sent this stunning ring from Julia Jewelry. I'm going to leave discount code below so you guys can go and check it out, but look how stunning it is. It sort of reminds me of the little Irish symbol. I think it might even be the Irish symbol. Cladda. I know how to spell it but I don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah, it's stunning. It's gold with little silver like gems in. It has like the little heart from that Irish symbol that I really love. It's just really cute. I've actually got quite a lot of like Irish jewellery because my boyfriend's family are from there. So yeah, absolutely love this and it fits perfectly. It looks stunning with all my brightly coloured nails at the minute and it matches my grandma's ring perfectly. I don't know if I've said this a few times in some of my vlogs, but I do get questions about this. Let me just turn it around. I do get questions about this quite a lot on my like Instagram and stuff, but this is actually my grandma's old ring. She passed away and I think this was her eternity ring. It sort of looks like an eternity ring anyway. It was either her engagement or eternity ring and I absolutely adore it. It's like obviously real gold, and yeah, so I don't know where this was from or how, if there's any possibility of getting this, so just thought I'd clear it up because I do get questions a lot and I think people feel a little bit bad when I say like it was my grandma's, but it's fine, like I understand because I do wear it all the time and it is a stunning ring, so yeah. So Megan's currently getting money out, so if anyone wants to steal her pin, feel free. We're just heading to DOUGHNUTS, which is located down there. Hopefully there's some still left for us, because we did reserve after all.
Where's my full name?
Oh look, I'm in the little mirror bit. Move out a second. Yay, we're in the mirror bit together. Yeah, little tip, get your money out if you fancy getting donuts, even though we're just probably not gonna get served because they're gonna be sold out. so I am now back home. We've all come back. Me, Megan and Hattie have been working in Cafe Nero since about 12 o'clock or just gone 12, and it is now 4:45, so I've been in there for quite a long time. Just having a little bit of a break before I carry on with some work downstairs, but I've managed to finish off my cue cards for my trace evidence module, so I'm just going to keep rereading them 3 times a day, I think, at least, whilst I'm making the other cue cards for my later exams, which are like quite close together the following week. So everything I've done is all like in my schedule and like all on time, so that's making me a little bit less stressed. I've just got like loads of other bits and pieces to do. I might as well tell you just to let you know what other things are going on. So I'm actually okay with like deadlines for YouTube and stuff. Like I haven't really got many things going on with that, which is kind of good because I should be focusing on my exams, and sometimes I prioritise YouTube and my blog because it's like my biggest passion ever. But yeah, so not too much is going on with that right now. I'm just sort of like scheduling posts and writing up bits and pieces, and I still obviously want to write like normal blog posts as well as ones that have been like sponsored or collaborations. I'm currently filling out a HC1 form. I basically last year I filled out a HC1 form and got a HC2 certificate, which basically entitled me to getting like free things on the NHS. So if I have my antidepressants, when I collect them, I get them for free, which is obviously handy because I feel like we shouldn't be paying for things that are out of our control. I managed to get my glasses for free because I had the form. Like all my orthodontists and stuff's obviously free because I got my braces on before I was 18 and stuff. But yeah, it's definitely worth filling out if you don't have like a strong income, because you're likely to get the certificate. So if your like family don't have like a strong income, then you are like probably most likely it's just a very big faff. And if you're not one to enjoy filling out lots and lots of forms and sending off lots of information, then it's probably not for you because it is very tedious. Like you have to keep sending it back and forth, but it's worth it in the long run for me, who has like tablets and lots of other bits going on that I need to buy. Well, I would have had to buy stuff from like the chemist and the pharmacies and stuff. So yeah, I have to just still do that. I'm collecting more of the information and like pay slips and bits and pieces that they need. I managed to get my travel grant. I don't know if I told you guys this, but for Guatemala, I could apply through my uni for a travel grant, and I managed to get the full amount, which is £500. So I'm so thankful, because that was something that was stressing me out, like how much the flights were, like £900, and I hadn't really got enough money anyway to support me through like January to April before my last student loan. So having to take that massive chunk out was really like horrible. So I'm so happy that I like done the grant quickly and got that back instantly. So happy with myself for that. I've just got to package up some more parcels, and there was something else. Oh no, I collected my prescription earlier. So I am currently, let me just get them out. I basically got given a new prescription. Basically the woman I had the woman I had yesterday at the doctor's said that they're not selling Loestrin anymore. Like they're not giving that pill out to people for contraception, which kind of scares me. So if anyone knows any info about that, I'd love to know, even if it is horrible, because the fact they've stopped like giving it to people is like, why? Did it have horrible stuff in? Has it killed people? Like, I don't want to die just yet. So let me know if you know anything about that. But she's put me on a new pill, which I'm kind of like low-key excited about, because I kind of wanted to change my pill. My Loestrin wasn't really doing much for me, as my first contraceptive pill ever did. So I started on microgynon, which a lot of doctors give out because it is the cheapest option, and obviously the cheaper the better for them. It turned me psychopathic. I spoke about this in yesterday's vlog. I was an absolute psycho bitch, crazy woman. The hormones they were putting in my body were just overriding everything, and I was just like not a nice person, and I was well aware of it. And then but microgynon was good because it took away all my pain and everything, all of the symptoms that I ended up going on the pill for, because my pain was so excruciating that I couldn't like leave my room, like my bed, couldn't really walk around, do anything for like several hours or the whole day. So microgynon was good for that, but it wasn't worth it for the psychopathic tendencies, to be honest. So I moved to Loestrin. Loestrin definitely reduced the amount of days I was on my period, but I was still heavy. I still was in agony, and yeah, I don't know, but I wasn't a psychopath because Loestrin had less hormones in there. There was barely any hormones in it, which is obviously why the pain was still crazy. But they've given me this, which is Jedorel, one of those. So if any of you guys are on this, if you don't fancy like commenting, because I'm well aware that people aren't as open about like medication and stuff as me, feel free to DM me on Instagram, because I'd love to know your feedback, whether it's good or bad. Like, I want your honest opinions, because I'd rather know sooner rather than later if it's really bad. I know it obviously affects people differently, but just thought I'd ask for your guys' opinions, because lots of you always chat to me about like personal bits and pieces, and it's nice that other people are becoming more open about things that should be spoken about. Like, feel free to message me. But today I got donuts, were pretty stocked up when we went. It was absolutely buzzing, you'll have seen from the clips, but I ended up getting the avocado, which I've already eaten, and then I got the Homer Simpson donut, which I've got downstairs. I'll probably have that this evening as a little treat after some more revision. And then I also went to the market. The market is so good in Lincoln. You honestly have to go if you live here, or even just anywhere you live. Go to any food markets rather than going to supermarkets if you're looking for like nice fruit and veg that is so cheap. It's so much better. I literally got this huge punnet of strawberries for £2, whereas like when I get a punnet of strawberries from like Tesco or Morrison's or anywhere, there's like 6 strawberries in it, but this one literally has like tons. And then I also got 6 bananas for £1, which is insane. So big thumbs up. I needed to stock up on my strawberries and bananas because I'm getting low on them for my little smoothie bowls that I've been making every morning. They're honestly so tasty. I just thought I'd quickly come on here because I've just had a few messages about 21 Buttons. So if you guys didn't know, I have a 21 Buttons account. A few people have been asking me if I have one, and I do. I've just been updating it actually, and I've put on all my recent like bits and pieces on here. So lots of new photos, lots of new outfits are up and running on here. Basically my username is Scarlet Slippers Blog, same as my Instagram. And if you don't know what the app is, basically you can get like direct links to items that people wear. So like your favorite fashion influencer or blogger or YouTuber or whatever, you can go support them. And you can even like upload photos yourself of like your outfits, and you can actually earn commission. So if anyone buys an item through, so basically if you buy an item through someone else's link, then they get like a small percentage of what you pay. Obviously 21 Buttons gives them that, and you're not paying anything towards that person, and like it doesn't affect what you're paying, if you know what I mean, but it just sort of like supports them. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know that I do actually have it, because I do get comments every now and again, especially when I upload like my fashion videos on my main channel. If you didn't know, I have been uploading, well, I will be uploading more fashion content because summer's on its way. I've just uploaded a Misguided haul last week or the beginning of this week, and I'm going to be uploading my Primark haul this weekend. So lots of fashion stuff coming, and I'm hopefully going to be doing lots of challenges with my friends and stuff over summer. This is a surprise. This is really spontaneous. I might be going to Romania. But more to come, just in case that doesn't happen.
Oh. Why do I?
My biggest regret of my whole life is not putting my new bed sheets on earlier. So I'm genuinely gonna sleep in my bed. I was gonna say raw then. I'm gonna sleep in my bed bare because I can't be asked to find some new bed sheets to put on. I'm so tired. I'm just going to organise what I'm going to do this weekend work-wise, because I have a event on tomorrow evening, so I need to obviously like plan all my time wisely around it, because I can't, at this stage of exam season, I can't afford to not do any work for a whole day or anything. And the thing tomorrow is in the evening anyway. It'll be a really fun vlog because me and Carrie are going to be a bit tipsy. And it's actually Lincoln based, which is quite cool, and some of you guys might be there, I'm not really sure, depends how interested people are in this thing, but I'll talk to you more about that tomorrow because it is very fun. But yeah, this evening we've just been, well, Megan's just plaited my hair, we've been plaiting each other's hair the past few evenings. I feel like a little girl, like we're having little girly sleepovers, but it's quite nice when someone else plaits your hair, because I always find it so much neater than when I do it myself. And it's just nice to sleep in, to be honest, because my hair gets all horrible when it's hotter. I'm really just about to plan my weekend before settling into bed, probably do a little bit of editing. I've had this horrible headache for ages. I've tried taking tablets and everything, but it just won't go, so hopefully sleeping it off will do the trick. It won't really help being on my laptop for a little bit now, so I might not edit until the morning and just wake up a bit earlier, but let me know what you guys are doing this weekend. It's bank holiday weekend for those of you that work, so I hope you have a lovely time. Like for me, it doesn't really make a difference at the minute because I'm not really going into uni much. Like it's exam season, like we're all just revising constantly. I'm not going to have a weekend off because I'm going to be studying. Yeah, it's going to be a productive weekend, but also a fun one, especially for tomorrow. So make sure you're sticking around. We've also got Lincoln Fashion Week coming up, which is really fab. So yeah, I need to plan out my outfit for that as well. Literally at the minute, I'm so like fashion orientated. Like I absolutely love like the change in fashion, like from season to season. And I haven't been able to buy new bits and pieces for ages because of obviously my money situation, and like student loans only just sort of dropped, but it barely covered anything because of like paid for my Guatemala flights and all that. But I should be all right soon when like my money comes in from work and everything. And me and Megan have just ordered a really exciting package from Opoly. Opoly's like very night out, going out, dressy, very glam vibes, and me and Megan have just ordered 5 dresses each to try on, show you guys like what we think, like our honest opinion, whether it's worth the price, like the quality is worth the price, and just to see how they fit. We've bought a couple of ones that we really think are gonna just look stupid on us, so hopefully it will be entertaining and you'll get inspired. Hopefully, I'm hoping some of them fit nicely, to be honest, because I can't really be asked for that confidence knock. But yeah, hopefully that'll be fun, as I've seen a lot of people do like Opoly stuff recently, and I've always heard that it's really good, but I just want to see if it lives up to the expectation, because the dresses are a little bit pricier than what I'd usually pay for like a going out dress. And lots of fashion content coming on my main channel, so if you're enjoying my like fashion posts on Instagram at the minute, make sure you follow me over there. Then definitely check out my main channel because there's lots coming. Make sure to hit thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for another vid. Bye.